Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Don't drink it up.
Don't drink it up.
Feeling hungry again.
Feeling hungry again.
Be careful there.
Be careful there.
Now you try.
Now you try.
I'm full now.
I'm full now.
You will fall down.
You will fall down.
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
That's not safe.
That's not safe.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Come back here.
Come back here.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Give it back.
Give it back.
Let me help.
Let me help.
Drink some water.
Drink some water.
It's okay now.
It's okay now.
You did it.
You did it.
Good job.
Good job.
Not like that.
Not like that.
Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Let's read.
Let's read.
Do you see that?
Do you see that?
What is this?
What is this?
That's funny.
That's funny.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
I'm here.
I'm here.
Let's clean up.
Let's clean up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
That's dirty.
That's dirty.
Put it back.
Put it back.
That's clean.
That's clean.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Look at this.
Look at this.
What happened?
What happened?
You're so smart.
You're so smart.
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Let's go now.
Let's go now.
You're too close.
You're too close.
That's enough.
That's enough.
Not right now.
Not right now.
All done.
All done.
That's better.
That's better.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
That's yummy.
That's yummy.
Let's share.
Let's share.
That's yours.
That's yours.
Let's count.
Let's count.
Let's sing.
Let's sing.
Listen to this.
Listen to this.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Not so fast.
Not so fast.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Help me, please.
Help me, please.
It's broken.
It's broken.
That's old.
That's old.
You're so kind.
You're so kind.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
Remember this.
Remember this.
Open it slowly.
Open it slowly.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Let's be quiet.
Let's be quiet.
Let's whisper.
Let's whisper.
That's too loud.
That's too loud.
I hear you.
I hear you.
I found it.
I found it.
Do you want it?
Do you want it?
Be gentle.
Be gentle.
Let's fix it.
Let's fix it.
You're late.
You're late.
Are you sleepy?
Are you sleepy?
It's too hard.
It's too hard.
Hold on tight.
Hold on tight.
Let's be friends.
Let's be friends.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy.
Let's race.
Let's race.
Let's do a puzzle.
Let's do a puzzle.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.